Elon Musk's Grok goes open source, challenging ChatGPT dominance. Elon Musk's artificial intelligence startup, XAI, plans to open source the code for its snarky chatbot, Grok, this week.
Google engineer charged with stealing AI secrets that could be highlighted for a video include allegations against Lin Wei-ding. Lin Wei-ding, a former Google software engineer, has been indicted in California for stealing trade secrets related to artificial intelligence, AI.
AI Today's headlines. Friday marked a landmark day for the AI industry as chipmaker Nvidia crossed $3 trillion in valuation, becoming only the third U.S. company in history to do so. They're also now the third most valuable company in the world.
Hello friends, welcome to DeepMind AI. As you have seen, we have created our own channel with the help of AI. As news channel has been the oldest source of information, there are millions viewers and subscribers for news related channels. So we are going to create our own channel, and creating a channel with the help of AI can be exciting and can offer numerous possibilities. And I will also help you how we can utilize AI to generate content for our channel. And this will include AI generated artwork, music, and even short stories as well. We will also utilize ChatGPT that will helping us in writing script or generating text-based content as well. And I will also show you how we can create chatbots for our channel. Let's dive in and create our own channel with the help of AI. So first of all, in order to create your own channel, we will take a help from the AI tool that is called Heen. So you have to search heen.com. You will come up with this interface. All you have to click get started. You can log in Heen by using your Google ID. When we log in into Heen, the interface looks like this. And now you have to come down as we are going to create our own channel. So we have to go AI Studio. And now on top you see templates. Just click on templates. If you scroll down, you will see all use cases here. There are ready-made templates. You can use the templates for advertisement, e-commerce, learning and development as well. As we are creating a news channel, so all we have to search breaking news, and as you can see here, there is option breaking news. All you have to click on that. As we click on breaking news, and we can see there are different ready-made templates. So we have to check these templates first. Let's check this one. Okay, we have to check one more template, and then we will go ahead and select one of these. Okay, we are going to use this template. So all you have to do, you have to click on the template, and now you can see here create with AI Studio. Just click on that. Now we got already ready-made template, so we have to drag and drop here. So we have to insert the transcript. Our channel will be ready within minutes. So all we have to do, we have to insert the text and we have to make some changes, and our channel will be ready. First, all we have to do, we have to change the avatar. So we have to click on avatar, and we can create our own avatar. For that, we have to click photo avatar, and here we have option to upload our own picture as well, but we are going to use the ready-made avatar for this. So we have different option here, we have different avatar. Let's check this one out. Okay, we are going to use this one, so we can create our channel in different languages accordingly our preference. So we can adjust the avatar. Perfect. Once this ready, now I'll let you know how you can get your information for your news channel. So for that, we are going to take help from Google. For that, we have to search headline news today. So now we have different headline news, so I'm going to show one of them. So we just click CBS News here. All you have to do, you have to copy the URL. Once you copy the URL, just open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to rewrite title and description for you. So I just asked ChatGPT rewrite in best way title and description, and I paste just URL. Now let's see what will be the outcome. Now you can see ChatGPT has rewrite the title for us. ChatGPT has written the description for us as well. So now all you have to do, you have to copy the title first and come to the news channel, and we have to change the headlines and we have to paste the title here. And now you can see we have inserted the title. It's just easy. You can do that as well. Now you have to add your logo here on top. For that we have to search for any logo if we have any, or we can create our own logo. So after that you can edit this breaking news as well. What we have to do, we have to insert the script as well. And as we have the description and the news here, we have to copy the news. And now we have to click here. In bottom you can see there we have to insert the script here. As they have the pre-built script, so we have to delete this one. And now here you can see if you already have your audio, you can upload your audio. If you don't have, you can do recording as well, or you can add your script as well. So as we have script, I'm going to insert that script here. And now here we have different voice options. So we have to select the voice, and as you can see we have different option here. We can choose the language as well. So I'm going to select English. And we have different voice options here. So I'm going to check these voices. As we have the option, so we have the male avatar, so we have to search male voice for that. So I'm going to select the voice. So we have different option. I'm going to go with Tony. Now our voice has been added. Everything is good to go. Now let's check. Now we have created our own avatar. All we have to do after that, everything is perfectly fine. All we have to do, we have to click on submit. So within 2 minutes our news channel will be ready, and we will be ready to share our first news. Now our video is absolutely ready. So let's download that. For that you have option here, just click on download. Now let's enjoy our news channel, and let's enjoy our first news as well.
The House of Representatives has approved the Anti-Semitism Awareness Act, a significant step in addressing anti-Semitism across the nation. This legislative move underscores the government's commitment to raising awareness and combating acts of hatred and discrimination targeting the Jewish community.
Hopefully you enjoy this wonderful video. So please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching DeepMind AI.